This conference will now be recorded.
Good. So you understood, right? How max, min, count, minimum, average works. Let's try one more. It's very easy. Select max of time from EM. Or we'll do one more thing. Whatever. Select sum of time from EMP. Okay. Now I'm able to display only sum of sal. That's it. Now I want display like first column has to be a department number, and I want second column as sum of salary. Can you do that? Write a query for that. And Dinesh and Ayappa, there are available scripts are there for taking this table into a database. Okay, type into internet that script for generating the EMP table, EMP and department table. You will get that. Just take it and run it through your SQL. It will get generated. Okay. Now write a query for this where I need to display department number first, like comma sum of sal. This is the query. I will press enter. We'll see whether the output will come or not. Okay. What it comes? Department number, the single group, not a single group function. What it shows? Can anyone tell me why it is showing like that? Can anyone tell me why it is showing like that? This will take as salary. It's don't require other form. Just for understanding. So when you make a sum of any salary, you make a sum of it. Let's take. I'll explain in Excel. You will come to know more easily. Department number term. Sum of salary is something you do here. 10,250 is the sum of the salary. But department number are 4. Okay. you can't compromise it, compress it. The word is compress. So 4 department numbers are there. You want to show it only as one. In such cases, there is a function called group by. Select department number from MP. Well, department. Got it? Why department number is used? There must be some confusion. Please ask the questions. If I have to make this an EMP number, let's do EMP number, then sum of sal from EMP where department number is 10, group by EMP number is not possible. Okay? Because EMP number is every time it's different. Whatever the output has come, this is an error. This is not a right output. It can be done only when similar numbers are available in the group by function. Okay? So you can do it for the job. Okay? Because some similar things are available here. Let's work on the job here. Select job, comma, sum of sal on EMP. No need of this. Group by job. In every department, in the clerk department, I'm giving this much salary, salesman, I'm giving this much, the whole bunch. President 5,000, manager 8,275, analyst 6,000. This is the breaking of the department. In department, and now you write a query. What is the payout in every department? Like I need like 10, 30, 30, 10, 20, 30 in the department number, and I want output here like sum of that particular department salary. Write a query for that. For reference, I'm keeping that.
Sir, like 10 and 5,000, sir. Like that, sir.
Sorry?
It's like in first column department number, in the second column salary.
Yes, that's right. Write a query in the paste in the chat box. Select default number. Default number. Good guys. Both are written right query. As you have written the query right, but tell me, did you understand what exactly it means? Why you are writing this? Now, now I want little more upgradation in the query. I want the output where salary is more than the sum of salary is more than 10,000. Write query for that. Select department number, sum of salary, and name. A good attempt, Ayappa. Pasting the query here. Not happened. I'll tell you what is this. Dinesh, are you writing the query?
No, sir. Like the sum of salary should be more than 10,000.
Let me tell you. Why where is used? Where is the just don't mute yourself. Dinesh. Where is used? Where is a filter for the strings? Okay, strings or numbers, not for the aggregate functions. But when you go for the aggregate functions, department number, sum of, and the from empty, you are making group by department number. When you make a filter for the aggregate function, that time we use having sum of sal greater than 10,000. Yeah. I know I have not told you this, but I just wanted you to give it. But now you must be getting confused why where is used. Let's use all together. Okay. Select department number, sum of sal only empty. Department number not equal to 10. Okay. Then group by department. Now you are filtering the aggregate function. Sum of sal greater than 9,000. Understood? Where it filters the whatever the available things numbers in the table. This is the table EMP table. Group by groups this column wherever the aggregate function is not used, and having filters the aggregate functions. sum of cell. Sum of cell is more than 9,000, 10,000 or whatever. And this has to be in the order only, where group by having, and next comes the order by. This everything has to be in the order. Select department number, sum of cell, from EMP. And 850 order by cell. Are you understanding, guys? No. Okay. Dinesh? No. Okay. Now tell me how where filter works. Select, okay, from EMP, where anything which I want to filter in the table. This table, which I have already, the table is already called here. I want to filter out here, where job is equal to salesman. This is the way where works. Right? Select and from where cell is greater than or equal to 3000. Right? This is the way where works, because where applies to the data which is already available in the table or the data which you are already calling here. Right? And now comes in aggregate functions. Maximum of cell from EMP, where again department number is 10. Right? Select minimum of cell from EMP, department number 20. Okay. Select sum of cell from EMP, where job is equal to clerk. Did you understand till here? Please say yes in the chat box. If not, then say no. Yes. So now you understood using the aggregate functions and using the function where. Why where? Where? Because this is already available here. All the data is available here. Whatever the function you have given, department number 10, job clerk, department number 20, everything is available here. You can see it. All things are available. You have said the job filter you taken. This is also available here. But how will you filter aggregate things? Aggregate functions. Yeah. First we'll understand the group by, then we'll go to the aggregate. Now I'll make department number. We are not able to get the output because this summing of the salary, the rows are reducing here. In the second column, when you are summing up, the rows are reducing here. Department number 10 5,000, and again 2,450, and again 1,300. All three rows got combined. For department number 20, there are a couple of rows, 5 rows are. Even 5 rows got combined here. Okay, for 30, 1, 2, 3, 4 rows are there. 4 rows got combined here because you're summing the salaries. Okay. Since you're using the department number, the department number is not getting combined. So there is a mismatch in the records. There is a mismatch in the rows. The department number column is showing 14 records, while sum of salary is showing only 3 records. So mismatch of records cannot be shown in the Oracle. So that's why we have come up with a clause called group by. Department number, sum of sal from EMP. This is got combined here by using aggregate function. Now we have to combine department. Understood? Now tell me at least this you understood, so that I can go to the next step. Yes, Dinesh. If not, tell me, I can explain. Okay, thanks. Both understood. Now let's work on this only. Couple of more things. Like not department, I will do job. Okay. Sum of sal from EMP. Now group by, and I have to do the job because I used job here. Sum is getting combined, job is not getting combined or getting compressed. So now I've got every job, every post, what is the payout? The owner is giving for clerk, total clerks in the company, $4,150. For salesman, every salesman together he is giving 5,600. Subsequently, like that for manager and analyst. And president is only one, so it is coming like 5,000. So this is you understood. So let's go to the next step now. How to filterize this particular thing. How to filterize whatever you are combined by using aggregate functions, sum of salary. You have to filterize this. So let job sum of sal on EMP. Now I can do a little bit more here. That will go to the next one. Goodbye. To filterize this particular aggregate function, I use having sum of sal greater than I got 3 department. Okay. Do you understand this? Let's go step by step. I'm waiting. Okay, sir. Understood. Dinesh, if not, you can ask me. Do not hesitate. I can explain you again. Okay. So we will filterize something differently. Sum of and from EMP, where job like percentage T and with T. Okay. Group by job sum of and greater than. Did you understand this query? Just to go through this. What I did, I taken the job, I taken the sum of salaries, where job, the last letters are getting ended by T, that is president and analyst. And Then I made again group by with the job so that I can comprise that. Is having used only when group by is used? Yes, perfect. Having is used only when group by is used because having is applying for the group by. You are whenever the aggregate function is used, then only group by comes into action, and whenever the group by comes into action, having can come in the action. But where can be used anytime. And the important thing here is we have to follow the order. We have to use where first, then group by, then having, then order by. Let's do a little bit of exchange of functions here and see if this executes. There is some one exception is there for particular this database. I'm not sure whether it applies for all. So group by job. If I do this, this will execute. But what I'll do, group by job, where job by ending with percentage %. Command not properly ended. Because where has to come before that. The same query I will do UMP where what happened, select. Understood? Now let's type the order by in the front. Job sum of and UMP order by job where job by percentage. Command properly not ended. We have to follow this order which I have told you. First where has to come, then group by, then having, then order by. But for this, in couple of databases, few databases, the exchange of group by and having is allowed. Not everywhere, but this is the order. Let's check here if this is allowed here. The job and having and represent for value. So in the 11G, sorry, in the 10G, whichever I'm using, it is allowed, but not necessarily it is allowed in your databases, maybe 18C or 12C. Just check it if it is allowed, well and good. If it is not allowed, make sure you follow this. It is allowed everywhere. Go to the Microsoft SQL or SQL server or even Google server, anywhere. This is the basic rules. Did you understand, guys? We can take some more queries on this if you understood. Yes.
Instead of having, you can use where. What happens
Okay.
in that time?
In that time,
Error.
those things, error will come. Those things, you need to check at home while practicing. But still, since you are asking,
Where is for Ayappa, where is for like single line, okay? For having is like for group, like salesman group, president group, having manager group.
yeah, I told you where is used for the table contents. Whatever the table content is there, to filter as that where is used. So no problem. You have asked the query, check it.
Yes, sir. But here also asking where, sir. Sal greater than 2,500.
We'll do it. Having some of Okay, so instead of having, we'll use where. No harm in trying all the things. Okay. Command properly, not ended. Where is used not, where cannot be used for aggregate function. Okay. We have to use having for aggregate function. Okay, these kind of questions, it's very good that you are coming up. You have installed the software now. Please try all these kind of combinations and permutations. You will understand. It will be more clear for you.
Sir, can I clear him once, sir?
Yeah. Once again. You want me to tell once again?
Sir, I thought I'd clear Ayappa once.
Okay. Ayappa, clear?
Yeah, sir. Okay.
Okay. If not, you ask me anytime while you are practicing. You just put me a message in the WhatsApp. I'll clear it. And anyhow, Dinesh is understanding. We can talk to him also. Combined study
Yeah,
we can do, guys.
yeah.
Okay. So, aggregate functions in group by having is done. So here I want you to give more attention, guys. These are analytical functions, very heavily used in the industry whenever you go, and very heavily used in asked in the interviews also. This aggregate functions and analytical functions are also very important part of this. Let's work on that. You need to understand the syntax here first. What is the syntax? Syntax is select rank, then open bracket, over, order by, whatever the column you want to put. This has to be a numeric column. Okay, this has to be numeric column like salary, or anything like any numbers. Then what is that? Then table name. Select. I'll take one column for you for understanding purpose. Select TM salary. Then comes rank. This is a EMP number. Okay. You can see here. This is the EMP number as usual. This is the rank. This is the salary, and this is the rank. Can anyone tell me what exactly it has done? Just observe it for a minute or 30 seconds and explain me what this has done.
Ordered by salary.
Yes, it has ordered by salary. It has given the numbers in the salary, right? This is called the lowest. Okay. And this is the version I'm telling you, since I have seen all the different versions. In the new Oracle version, which you have downloaded, Dinesh, there is a possibility that one can be given for the highest one. Okay. We need to check that. Okay, in some cases one is given for the lowest one because everybody has their updates, right, coming up in the picture. So for this we'll stick to that. One is given for the lowest one. Maybe you are downloaded 18C or 12C?
19, sir.
19, okay. In that case, they must have given the one rank one for the highest one. There is a possibility. I'm not very sure. I have seen such softwares. So that's what I'm telling. So that's, yeah, you check it. Let's stick here. Like one is given for the lowest, two is given for the second, 3 is given for the third, and fourth is given for the fourth one. Again 4 has come here, then directly it has come 6. Okay, fifth number has been skipped. Then 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 12, 13 number has been skipped. So it's like, in your college, somebody has scored 100 and 2 people have scored 99 and fourth person has scored 98. The first rank will be given for 101. The second rank will be given for both the people 2, 2, and third rank will not be given because 3 people are already passed. The fourth person will be the 98, the person who has scored 98. This is how rank works. Understood this? Okay, Dinesh said yes. Sayappa, did you understand? Good. Next comes dense rank. I'll write dense rank next to this only so that it will be clear for you. Same syntax. Now observe the dense rank, how it is numbering. It is numbering 1 to 1, 2 to 2, 3 to 3. It is also numbering 4, 4 equally. But rank is skipping the fifth number, but dense rank is not skipping. It is giving like 5. Then 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 12. It is giving 11, 11. After this, the 13 number is skipped in the rank, but in the dense rank, no number is skipped. This is the dense rank. Now let's go for one more analytical function, that is row underscore number. What row underscore number is doing? It is not skipping anything. It is not giving any double ranks. It is just saying the numbers order by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 till 14. This is the major difference. Did you understand this? If yes, then we can go for little tricky queries. Yes. Good. Skipping is a bit confusing. Okay. Let's consider we 3 are the students in the college. Harshal, Dinesh, Ayappa, and anybody, let's call Idris is there. We 4 people are there. So Dinesh has scored 100 rank, 100 marks, and Ayappa has scored 99, and I have also scored 99, and Idris has scored 98. So generally, how the rank has to be given: 1, 2, 2. This is third. But in rank, it doesn't happen like that because there are 4 people. What it does: first rank will be given to Dinesh, second rank will be given to me and Ayappa. There will not be third rank at all. Directly, there will be a fourth rank, that is 2. If there is somebody who has scored again double rank, then 2 ranks will go here. You can see here on the 12th position, he has given 2, same here. 5000 has to be a 13th. It look like that, but it has skipped 13 because here 2 people. So we'll do one thing. We'll add one more 3000. Understood? No. let me tell you a little bit about the nested queries, guys, to help you. Select, okay, these are all the columns. So what we'll do is select EMP number, ename, job, salary, department number. Okay. Now select EMP number, salary from EMP number, name, from, and tell me, did you understand this query? It's a very simple one. What I've exactly done? Instead of giving the EMP number, I just get the entire table. Ayappa Dinesh, just go to this query. Did you understand? Tell me. No. So generally what I do, select EMP number, salary from EMP. EMP is telling the table. What is EMP? Select start from EMP. This is the whole EMP table, right? And I'm picking up only 2 columns from EMP. So now instead of writing EMP, I'm writing this. Select star from EMP. Okay, let's see whether I will get the same result. Understood how I replaced that EMP table into the query? This one. Do you understand, guys? Good. Ayappa? Ayappa not responding? Yes. Okay, good. So if I'm able to write select star from EMP, I should be able to write anything I want there. So let's write rank functions there. Okay. EMP. We'll write the rank functions, then we'll take EMP number, salary. I'll make descending so that I can see who is the highest salary earner. This can be rank underscore. I will select this wrong. Okay, this is my table. If you so now what I will do, select EMP number, rank underscore wrong. Got it? What I'm trying to do? Select and wrong. Given brackets. DESC means descending. Do not mention DESC, that's ascending. Now you can see here the 5000 is ranked as 1. Okay, if I don't mention descending here, that's the, you can see here the lowest one is ranked as 1. I want the highest as ranked as 1. So I am ordering it by descending. This one I have told you while explaining the order by. Okay. While we were working on the order by, we made order by from salary, order by descending. At least you don't have to forget this. Okay, good. So I have told you the maximum thing. The one tricky query. I want to understand the people whose salary ranges from 4th highest to 9th highest. Okay? Need employee number and employee name from table who are earning 4th to 9th highest salary. I have told you 90% of the query, then you just have to use little bit of more. Okay, you can refer this. I will keep you open. This kind of questions will be asked in the interview. When I ask these kind of questions in the interview for the people. Yeah. Do it meanwhile. I'll create some table here. One. Yeah, write a full query, Dinesh. I don't want only logic. Write a complete query. The query is in front of you here. Write complete query and send it in the chat box. I will write that query in the chat box and refer it. This is the query. Modify that query and give me the answer. Select PMP numbers and paste it. Both are given. Very good. Let's see who has written the right query. First has given Dinesh, so I'll paste Dinesh query first. No change Dinesh. I have first query. That's what he has done. Yes, select EMP number, e-name, salary, rank is greater than 4 and okay, okay. Fine, at least you have attempted. I'm very happy with you. And Dinesh, you just pasted the same query which I given it to you. You should have made some changes.
1 minute, sir. It's my mistake. 1 minute. We're done.
It looks fine. Okay. The query is right, but I'll tell you what exactly you have made a mistake. You are identifying from rank underscore, right? When you are identifying from rank underscore, this also has to be from rank underscore. Good. So I'll have to explain it to Ayappa. Ayappa, first we need to understand what exactly this query means. Yeah, query are written here. Your query, I'll write it here once again. And let's understand step by step. Right? In your query, I can see you have given the filter on this. Where is Ayappa's query? This one is Ayappa's query. So in your query, this itself is a table first. So, and you are given the condition rank greater than 4 and smaller than 9. This condition itself is a filter. When you give a condition for a filtering, you must use where. Okay, you are filtering details from the table to where has to come. And the syntax is not right because where has to come after the table. So this particular thing has to come here after you complete the table. Rest all thing is good, and you have given order by sal. That is not right. You have to give order by sal descending. Okay, let's make changes to your query and see whether we can get the result. I'm not using this rank here. Okay, name this not item. Dinesh underscore, no man, you are remembering your friend or not, I guess. Dense underscore. What is my stack? Descending. Okay. Since we'll do this, I will tell you what are the errors you have made. Rank underscore. Again, where I'm giving rank is itself invalid identifier. Rank has to be rank underscore. That's make it rank underscore. I can't make rank, guys, because rank is already a function. Okay, that's why I'm putting it as underscore. Let's see if this comes. Yes, perfect. But here, what it didn't come, it didn't give you the exact ranks what Dinesh has done, because you have not called rank from this particular table. Right? This is also okay, but if you call the rank, you will understand which one is the fourth, which one is the fifth, sixth, and seventh, or ninth, whatever. Understood, guys? I hope this was a tricky query today, and you understood.
Yes,
I will give you a homework. Do it. And okay. I want to give you homework. See here. Select star from email. What I did, I added one record here. Ayappa is double record, right? I want, by using group by and having, I want to see how many duplicate records are available in the table. Okay? You can put the duplicate records in any table, not only this. You can put the duplicate record in the EMP table as well. Okay. First thing you do today, go to the internet, get the script of the EMP table and department table, run it over, and create a EMP and department table inside your database. And then you can add one more record here, or you can add one more record in the different table, and write a query to see how many duplicate records are available in the table. This is your homework using group by and having. Okay, I will give you the clip. Fine. We'll call for a day. Guys,